shit. You know, big boss, you know what I'm saying? Look at me. Yeah, looking like a whole little rapper. I just wanna fuck that light skinned bitch that be doing my dreads. I only like black bitches. I said what I said.
I don't even care about the money, get it back in blood. I don't even wanna take these bitches, come and give me hugs. All I do is step on these necks and get my feet rubbed. Double barrel shotgun on my dresser, carry 2 slugs.
Hey man, it's Big Boss, baby. Look at it. I'm on my rapper shit today, okay? And I got this little unboxing. You feel me? Hey man, you know what I'm saying? It's Big Boss, man. Rapper day. Let's get into it.
I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Chris, you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
Alright man, you know it's Big Boss. Unboxing. Let's get it started. You know how we do it. Use the teeth, my boy. And this is where the shrimp come in. Yeah. You already know, man. I get stuff in the mail all the goddamn time. And everything I get in the mail, I'm always unbox it to let y'all know. Because I know y'all want to be in my business. And why not have fun when I'm having fun? Ooh. Like, you could tell, like, you could drop this out of the plane and this won't even, like, you know what I'm saying, mess up whatever it got. But I think it's another bottle of cologne. I can't really get in here without some scissors. But we don't do scissors over here. We got teeth. Okay, I'm finna get some scissors. I ain't got time. I'll be right back. Never mind. I got the knife I cut steaks with. You feel me? This is how you finna do it. Bro, I broke the knife. How did I break the knife? Bro, I don't even know how I did that. Dang, I'm really strong. Yeah, that's chalk for that. I think I stabbed it enough times anyway. Creed. We got another Creed. Boom. Let's open this up though. Hold on. You already know, man. You know how it be when we get Creed. You know how it be. Oh, this is just the wrapper. The box, I think, is different. Oh, they played me. I thought this was the box. This is just a freaking wrapper. Yeah, it's called Milsign Imperial. Let's open this baby. Oh, it come with the Creed thing in the inside again. I'm gonna do a review on it. You know how Big Boss do. Let's take the Creed out real quick. Oh, come in another bottle, another box. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, no, 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 no. This was like $500. Sexy bottle, sexy bottle. Yeah, whatever. They can just be doing anything. So right now I got 2 Creeds in my collection. 2 Creeds in my collection. I'll tell y'all how I smell in a little bit. All right, what's up, y'all? This is Big Boss. I'm just showing you that, like, this bottle of Creed is fake. Fake, okay? This is not a real bottle of Creed. I bought this from Amazon. They got me. This is not real. This is not how the real bottle look at all. So I just want to let y'all know, if y'all get one that look like this, it's not real. It's fake. Pay attention to the colognes you get, because it's fake. So this whole video, I know y'all just watched it in the beginning, but it's fake. So this Big Boss coming with the unboxing of the Creed. I'll do a review soon. Take it easy.